Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements: a modern phone, Grindr app installed, and a paid or trial VPN with a kill switch. Once signed in to the VPN app, enable the kill switch to prevent leaks and select a nearby server for better speed. Make sure location services are off for Grindr if you want reduced accuracy. Then, connect the VPN and watch the status indicator. You'll need a solid connection before opening Grindr to avoid location mismatches and login errors. You now configure protocol and privacy options. Choose WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for compatibility, and turn on DNS leak protection. Once done, connect to the chosen VPN server and fully quit Grindr, then relaunch it so the app registers the VPN IP. Make sure the app's cache is cleared if location isn't updating. To confirm, run an IP and DNS leak test. If tests show the VPN's IP, your traffic is tunneled correctly, and you can proceed with normal use. You finish by checking chat responsiveness and profile visibility. If messages lag, pick a closer server for lower ping. If Grindr detects a mismatch or blocks access, try switching servers or momentarily disabling the kill switch to re-authenticate, then re-enable it. For stubborn problems, clear Grindr app data or reinstall both apps, and if needed, contact VPN support with screenshots. One key troubleshooting tip: always run an IP leak test after fixes. If leaks persist, stop use until resolved to protect privacy and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.